This is a video for the air compressor by AAA, the 12 volt 300 PSI. Now this is actually the first time I'm using it, so I'm a little excited. I have a low tire, and I've already read the instructions and taken the cords out, and it sounds simple. It's supposed to inflate in less than 8 minutes. You plug the adapter into a cigarette lighter, put the connector on the tire, switch the unit to on, and inflate it. And when it's done, switch it to off, and then unplug the adapter. So let's get it plugged in. Okay, so it took about 5 minutes for the tire to inflate. When I first plugged it in, it was at 20 PSI, and my tire takes a max of 44. So I filled it up to about 44. This unit is very inexpensive, and I mean, I think it's pretty good, especially if you need it in an emergency.